Back with another one. It's Tires on Tarmac. We out here in the town, Waukegan, Illinois to be exact. I'm at a car show over here on Belvedere, man. Nah, man. We just rolled up, me and my wifey, man. They over here got Hayabusas and shit. Dude just rode up on the green Hayabusa. Old schools on wheels. This music is not Tires on Tarmac. It's not my copyright, just to let y'all know. But yeah, we gonna roll up and check it on out. They got some copyright music going on in this motherfucker, for real. Old school trucks and shit. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there too, y'all. It's Father's Day today. Happy Father's Day. He modernized the dash in there. Got his bed done. Check out this paint job. Sounds banging on that thing. Red joint, SS Rojas. SS joint. A lot of big trucks here. This is wheels. Old schools. Low riders over here. He liked the color purple, that's for sure. I never seen nobody like this color but Prince. He got couches up in here, man. Y'all see that? He got the shit all in his engine too. Let's keep it going. We go down the line, guys. They got food out here and everything. Let me check out this candy red. Got the candy on here. Look at this place on this bitch. Man, them seats look too comfortable, for real though. Fall asleep in them joints. Big candy, he got it all in the back too. That's where his switch is at, right there. There's the back of that purple one. I think I seen Buddy at a couple car shows a while ago. I think that's all his ladies or something. I think I remember this build. Let's see what else they got. Lowriders, Toyotas, Hayabusa. Check out this motorcycle. It's a Ninja. Like a carbon fiber joint on there right there. Cadillac, Lexus thing, Hyundai souped up. We lowered this bitch too. decent little builds. Check out the back. Like I said, we out here in Waukegan, Illinois. You know what I'm saying? Tires on Tarmac up in this bitch. We in the town. Fun fact, I'm from Waukegan. I'm also from North Chicago, both. First few years of my life, up to 13, I grew up in Waukegan. Look at this nigga flying in that motherfucker. That's one of them fast scooters. Flying. The rest of my years was a no-go. All right, let's get this car show on, man. Word. Got an old school gangster shit. Yee. Mustang. It's clean though. .5 thing, of course, we see them everywhere. What we got over here in this joint? Yeah, I like this. This motherfucker hard right here. It's a Lex, man. I'm going to make you an offer you can't refuse. Got the Godfather. It's a Godfather thing. That's kind of cold. That's nifty right there. What you think it is, man? It's nifty. Nifty. That's that West Coast talk. It's nifty. Yeah, it's nifty. I like the wheels on these joints. Asantes. Nah, these are I can't make them out, but it's sitting nice though. Nice wheel choice too, with the red calipers that really complement it. I like the way he got it sitting. It's sitting clean too. He ain't overdo it. He got it sitting clean. It's straight. On to the next car show. We heading up north now. But I really like how, leave a comment down below if y'all really like his Godfather thing. I think that was nifty. Real nifty. That is crazy. Yeah, I mean, you can tell right here, this is where the heat go, but he did it really good because he doesn't have no fade out. Big V8. It's real nice. All right, y'all. Shit. Hope y'all enjoy it, man. We about to head up north to Bristol, Wisconsin. Got another car show to go to. I'll see y'all in a little bit, man. For sure. All right, hope y'all enjoying this day. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers, man. It's D-Dub for Tires on Tarmac. We about to head up north to Bristol right now. Got another car show to go to, all right? Yo.